Namaste. Welcome to SRY Yoga channel. I am Geeta here. Today we are going to do some stretching movement in sitting posture. Let's start. First drop your shoulder back. Let's with the shoulder socket rotation. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly breathe in, raise your hand up. Interlock your finger, pull your stomach in, stretch, look up as much as you can. Hold the posture, be there, keep breathing, make sure your sit bone on the mat and keep breathing. If you are not able to see up, look front, it's okay. Be there, normal breathing, keep breathing, keep breathing, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Feel the stretch on all your both sides. Breathe in, breathe out. For a few more seconds, hold the posture. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly breathe out and bend forward in the same posture. Interlock your finger and just go down as much as you can. Hold the posture. If you are not able to hold like this, just turn your hand, stretch, be there. Hold this way also, okay. Go down as much as you can. You can hold this way or you can turn your hand like this and be there. Feel the stretch. Keep breathing. Stomach in. Now slowly rise up. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax for a while. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now one more time, interlock your finger. Hands up, interlock your finger and side stretch. Just hold the posture and look up. Be there for a while. Good. Come to the position. Now turn to other side. Hold. Relax. Slowly come to the position. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now let's do the Janu Sirasana for our stretch. Now this is a forward bend. You will feel the stretch on your back. Adjust yourself. Make sure your feet should straight and you should come to L shape. Now breathe in, slowly raise your hand. Interlock your finger and go down as much as you can. Hold your feet. Push to your side. Pull to your side and slowly breathe out, breathe out, breathe out and go down. If you can, touch your knee with your forehead. Be there, keep breathing. Feel the stretch on your back. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Be there for a few more seconds. Good. Slowly relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Now let's do the other side. Make sure your heel, knee and sit bone on the mat. Feet should straight. L shape. Now, breathe in, raise your hand. Breathe out, bend forward as much as you can. Hold the posture. Slowly relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, both legs stretch, 1 feet gap or shoulder level gap. Make sure feet should be straight. Sit bone on the mat, knee on the mat, heel on the mat. Now breathe in, squeeze your stomach in. Breathe out, bend forward. Place your palm on your feet and pull your feet towards your side. Elbow bend and look front. Squeeze your stomach in. Feel the stretch on your back. Be there for a while. Normal breathing. Keep breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold the posture for a while. Be there. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Now, slowly relax. Breathe in, raise your hand. Breathe out, drop. Same posture we can do in other way also. Breathe in, raise your hand up. Breathe out, bend forward. Now, hold your feet from the side and your elbow should be on the mat. Make sure your knee should on the mat. Don't lift your knee like this. Knee on the mat, heel on the mat, sit bone on the mat. Now, hold from the side and elbow on the mat. Now, breathe out, look forward. And then keep breathing, normal breathing. Be there. Hold the posture. Be there. Keep breathing. Relax. You will feel all the way stretch from your lower back to up. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. As we do that 3 feet gap stretch, more gap between your legs. Now, again make sure your sit bone should be on the mat. If you want, you can roll your mat and sit on that. It's okay. You can take support. Right? Now, as we do 3 feet gap. Hold. Turn your body right hand side. Breathe in, raise your both hand up. Breathe out, bend forward. Hold. Interlock your finger. Feel the stretch all the way from here to all your hand. Now just go down. Again, if you can, touch your knee with your forehead. Make sure your sit bone should be on the mat. Heel on the mat. Knee on the mat. Don't lift your knee. Be there. Hold the posture. Keep breathing. Good. Slowly relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Now same stretch we can do in other way also. Hold your feet, join your hand, breathe in, raise your hand. Hold the posture, look up. If you can, drop your hand, touch your toe if you can and look up. Hold the posture. Feel all the way stretch here. Breathe in, breathe out. Now relax. Let's we do the other side. Turn to your body left hand side. Breathe in, raise your hand up. Breathe out, bend forward. Interlock your finger. and just go down. Hold the posture. Keep breathing. Slowly relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Now other way. Hold, elbow down, breathe in, raise your hand up and slowly drop. Look at towards the ceiling. Hold the posture. Slowly relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, interlock your finger back of your spine. If you can, just go down as much as you can. Not necessarily to touch your mat, but if you can, touch your mat. Slowly relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now let's we do that again. Forward bend stretch. You can hold your toe, hold your ankle, or hold your feet. Whatever be okay for you. Hold and slowly go down. If you can, touch your mat with your forehead. Be there, keep breathing. Make sure your knee should be on the mat, heel on the mat, and cheekbone on the mat. Hold the posture. Slowly relax. You should feel all the way stretch from here to your pelvic bone. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now one more forward bend stretch. Breathe in, raise your hands, squeeze your stomach towards the spine and breathe out, bend forward. Just go down as much as you can. If you can, touch your mat. Slowly relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Come to the Sukhasana. Breathe in, breathe out. Now counter pose for the stretch. Let's we do the simple forward bend. Hold your feet. It's a simple Gomukha. Breathe in, breathe out and just go down. Hold the posture for a while. Relax. Now do the other side same. Breathe out. Bend forward. Slowly up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Sit in Sukhasana. Drop your shoulder back one more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly take a deep breath. Breathe out slowly. One more time. Take a deep breath. Breathe out slowly. Thank you for joining my class. Please subscribe our SRY Yoga channel. Like and share with your friends and family members. See you again in next time. Thank you. Bye bye.